Hey guys, welcome back. Kelly here with 1776 Firearms. I had someone bring this pistol up here for a cleaning, so I thought I'd make a quick video on how to take it apart real quick in case you own one. It is a Walther CCP M2 380. Neat little pistol. She says it shoots really well, if that matters to any of you. Before we get started, we just want to make sure that the gun is pointing in a safe direction. Why do we do safe direction? Because if we're to accidentally go off, we don't want it to negatively affect our lives or the lives of somebody around us. It's in the safe direction. Next, we want to make sure that it's unloaded. All right, so we're going to do that by pushing in your magazine release right there, making sure there's nothing in the magazine. There isn't. Next, we're going to pull the slide back. We're going to look and see that it is unloaded. We have an unloaded pistol here. All right. Now, this pistol is a huge pain in the arse to take apart, okay? Actually, that's a lie. It's actually not hard to take apart. Putting it back together is the tricky part. So, this, if you look back here, I'm going to move this here, okay? So, this red right there is your firing pin, okay? That's telling you that this gun is locked and ready to go, okay? So it's saying there's one in the chamber, which we know that there's not because we just made sure it was unloaded, but the firing pin is back and ready to go. This pistol will not shoot with no magazine in. So you got to put your magazine in, pull the trigger, so you're dry firing it. Okay, now we're taking the magazine back out. Now, once that red is gone, once you can't see that red, now the gun will come apart. It won't come apart if you can see that red there. So, this little lever right here needs to push over. To do that, we need to press this in a little bit. Okay, stick a pin in there, push that in, push that over, and then that's going to pop out. See how that popped out? Now it's ready to come apart. We're going to move this back over so I can give you this view. All right. So you're just going to pull back slightly, lift up, and then the whole slide is going to come off the frame, okay? So here is your recoil spring. This little jobby here, you know what? I probably should have looked it up to see what this is called because I don't know the technical name for this, but this is the cause of many of your frustrations that are about to happen, okay? But let me just finish taking this down. So you can also take your firing pin out of there, okay? So see how it won't come back past that? If you push this piece down, this will slide out. And now you've got your firing pin and spring that you can clean as well. So you shouldn't have to take it down any further than this to clean it, guys. Get it all cleaned up, lubed up, and then we're ready for reassembly. To put your firing pin back in there, you're going to slide that in, push this button down, and push it in. All right? So this knob, this bar on the front of your slide, that has to feed into a hole that's underneath the barrel, okay? I don't know if you probably can't see it, but there's a hole there, I promise you. So, holding this, you got to feed the spring in the barrel up through the slide. Bring the slide down and get that bar to go in that hole. Now, this could take me some time. I may edit this because I'm definitely not going to sing you a song while I try and get that to feed through. So I might cut it down a little bit, depending on how many tries this takes me. Now, at this point, I'm going to ask if any of you guys have any experience with one of these and you know a better way to feed that through that hole, please comment below so I know. Because as of right now, I wouldn't suggest this gun to anybody just because of how tricky that is to get back together. Taking it apart's not that hard. But getting that bar in there. I'm just going to keep talking and say stupid shit until I get that to feed in there. Oh, got it. I might not cut that back at all. All right, so I'm going to push that in, put the slide down. Once you get this like this and it's seated on there, you can just push this in and that bottom's going to that bottom latch is going to lock into place. Okay, it just clicked over as soon as I pushed that in. So now you're ready to rock and roll. Okay, guys, it's put back together. Sorry I cussed. I hope this helps. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.